our value in women has nothing to do with their social status. So like, it's not like a woman that is within those doors, we perceive her as better pussy, better convo, better cook. I don't know too many men who are like, man, if she's a regular woman, there's just, the pussy can't be as good as the women in these closed doors.
Right.
Like,
No.
That's an experienced guy.
yeah, like,
Yeah. She would have to have a certain kind of personality.
For sure.
We care more about your personality than your status.
I don't think men, I mean, if it's there, I don't know, like as a requirement, like, man, you know, if you were higher status, then I could.
Yeah,
like,
we don't care. Yeah, exactly.
What the fuck do I give a
We care about how are you going to take care of me?
Yes.
How are you going to cater to me?
But
Not necessarily wait, but like, how are you going to feed me who I am?
And that aspect is actually why those women tend to struggle the most, because if your world is the help goes to the grocery store, shit, you want to be fucking the maid in a little bit. Shit, she don't want
Right.
like
That
she don't
part.
want doing the womanly stuff. So I don't. The dynamic with a woman isn't merely having my kids while the maids do everything else. Like there's an experience, at least for me, I can speak for me, where it's not merely about how we appear to the public, right? Like what's my experience with you when we're alone? Can you go up and get up and make some pancakes, and vice versa? Like she's not, well, you know, I'm rich, so, you know, I'll have the, what's the simple of, I'll have the fuck, can you open the jar? Brendan! Right, like, come open this jar, right? Like, you know, like you're so divorced from the dynamic of, right, like that the whole dynamic is just you looking in my face, I look in yours, and that's, like, that sounds like a disaster.
There's no,
you know?
There's no passion.
No.
There's no knowing.
Nothing about
There's no
that.
knowing now.
So like that, there's an element of like, well, what are you here for? So you're just here to replicate me, you know, in terms of the children, and even then you're not taking care of the kids. Like, so it's
Once you have kids, it's like, what's your purpose now?